In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Clickup, and we'll walk through this step by step together. So first, you'll want to navigate to the Clickup website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in clickup.com. This will take you to Clickup's homepage, which is a versatile platform designed to streamline your work processes. Once you are on the Clickup homepage, find and click the Login button. This option is usually located at the top right corner of the page. If you're already a Clickup user, you probably have your credentials ready, and logging in will be a breeze. Now, if you prefer the convenience of using your Google account for seamless access, click on Sign in with Google. Utilizing Google authentication not only speeds up the login process, but also offers a layer of security and integration that many users find beneficial. After you have selected to sign in with Google, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Choose the account that is associated with your Clickup workspace by selecting it from the list. This ensures your Clickup environment is synced with the correct credentials, giving you immediate access to all your projects and ongoing tasks. Once you're logged in and at your workspace, the next task is to locate and select the list where you want your form to be created. Lists in Clickup are a great way to organize your tasks, and selecting the correct list is crucial for keeping your forms and data aligned with your projects. With your list selected, click on the View option. This step is essential as it leads you to the various ways you can visualize and interact with your tasks and data. In the View options, find and click Form New. Creating a new form is straightforward, and this option will guide you to the setup process where you can customize your form according to your unique needs. You'll see a variety of form templates or existing forms in this section. Take a moment to review them and select the one that best fits your intended use. For instance, if you're working on obtaining project details from clients, choosing a project intake form might be the most suitable option. Once you've selected a form template, you have the flexibility to customize it. ClickUp allows you to edit fields, add questions, or remove sections that aren't relevant. This feature ensures that your form collects all the necessary information effectively. To sum it up, creating and customizing forms in ClickUp is a seamless process designed to help you gather data efficiently and effectively. Whether you're managing projects or gathering customer feedback, these forms can be tailored to meet all types of requirements. Enjoy experimenting with different templates and customize to ensure they best fit your workflow needs.